Hey friends, we're here at Times Square. It's approaching midnight and I'm going to take the 7 train, which is going to be stopping, running tonight about 12:15 for track work. And so this is Times Square Station, almost at midnight. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3 platform here, and we're gonna just walk down here to get to the 7. This is part of the legacy IRT system. These are they're called the A division trains, which are the much narrower trains. We have a 3 train. These are some of the older trains on the line. They came online in about the 80s, so they're approaching 40 years old. So go to the Flushing Line platform. It's also the legacy IRT A division trains, the smaller trains. And this is at the lower level. And that's a train to Hudson Yards is coming in. Quite a few people here waiting, so it looks like we didn't miss the last train tonight. And they're just truncating the line at Queensboro Plaza. So the 7 train is running; it's just not running into Manhattan, so they can work on parts of the tunnel. And then it'll start running again like Monday morning about 5 a.m. And that's the train we're going to get on, heading over to Queens. It's one of the last trains of the evening before the weekend shutdown for track work. This is Friday night.
The next stop is 5th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Next stop is 5th Avenue.
Attention everyone, there are over 150 accessible subway stations. Each contains
The Times Square station is very close to the 5th Avenue station. Actually, there's a passageway. You can walk between them. It's not that long.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I don't have too far to go, maybe another about 5 minutes, but my battery is pretty low. So if the video ends suddenly, that's probably why.
And the Long Island Railroad. This is a Queens-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
We're at Grand Central. Got one more stop. We're just going to head a 3-minute ride under the East River to Long Island City.
Search by the police. Thanks for riding with us.
They're my family. They're like my real family. It's another situation. No, they're like my actual family. Like my cousin. So you keep thinking that I like slept with her or something. Because there's this girl that like traveled with me. And I introduced them to my cousin. And then they found out that they're like blood cousins, right? We're more like we're more like cousins or parents because they're like our families are pretty close. So then, I don't know, that confused them. For some reason it confused them.
Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue.
Yeah, you should. I mean, you're in Hispanic culture. You should understand it what it is. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. The next one is his. Oh shit! I told you. So, bro, get off and take that. Get off and take that.
Flushing Main Street bound 7.
Hey friends, that was about a 9-minute ride from Times Square to Long Island City. You see there's quite a few people on the train. People making it back before they have to take shuttle.